last one of the day. So that's on like the 1,000 period, and we're on 80. So we're actually on 8% mark space. 8% mark, as you can see. Yeah. Might be able to spread it out so you can actually see the mark space ratio. Let's see if I can. Trying to make sure these things cool down. Right, so what are we on? 500 microseconds. I can't tell, but it looks like around about like less than half. We've got 4 ticks, and it's less than half a tick, isn't it? Yeah, that doesn't really tell you out though, does it? I'm saying 4 ticks, and then if we can get the scale up so I can see it. Oh, there you go. So the scale's 100. So that's like 80, maybe 80. Sorry, it's 100 microseconds per tick. So that's what's that? 160 microseconds. And for the scale, that's 500 times 4, isn't it? So that's 2,000. What did we say? 160 microseconds for the mark, and 2,000 for the period. So if it was 200, that would be 10%. So yeah, it's about 8%. So it's right, isn't it, roughly? And it's spinning like nobody's business. Yeah. So it's 12. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, I can. There you go. We're using, I believe on this one we're using 12 step. Yes, 12 step. Right. So it's 12 steps in the sequence. So each tick there is 1/12 of a step. Right. So if it's 500 mic, so that's 2 milliseconds per tick times 12 is what is that? 2 milliseconds per tick. That's 24 milliseconds, isn't it? It's not quite, because that's slightly over the line. So it's 24 milliseconds per tick per revolution, basically, because it goes round once. It's a 1-to-1. Yeah. It is, it's 1-to-1. So it's got 12 steps and it actually goes around one rotation. So that means each revolution is 24 milliseconds, right? So that's, I have no idea. Right, 20 milliseconds is 50 hertz, isn't it? Yeah? So it's going to be slightly less, it's going to be like 40 rotations a second, that's what it'll be. Yeah, so times by 60, that's 2,400. So it's 2,400 RPM, I believe. Is that right? 6, 4, 20. Yeah, 2,400, about 2,500 RPM. Not bad, is it? No. Yeah. And we make up this controller as well.